To step into Annecy is to leave the ordinary world behind. Nestled in the Auvergne-Rhône-Alpes region of southeastern France, this captivating city is universally known by its elegant moniker, the Venice of the Alps. The title is earned not just through its lattice of flowing waterways, but through a certain magic that pervades its ancient stone bridges and flower-laden banks. Annecy sits perfectly poised where the mountains meet the water, offering a rare blend of medieval history and sublime natural grandeur. It is a city that somehow manages to be both bustling and serene, framed by snow-capped peaks and the extraordinary turquoise clarity of its namesake lake. From the moment you arrive, Annecy captures the imagination. The air is crisp, scented by mountain pine and fresh lake water, and the soundscape is dominated by the gentle rush of the river Vieille, one of the shortest rivers in France, as it pours out of the lake and through the Ville, or Old Town. This convergence of element, the vivid greens of the surrounding Alpine foothills, the gentle pastels of the buildings, and the vibrant, almost unbelievable azure of the water, creates a visual symphony unmatched in Europe. Annecy is not just a destination. It is an experience that awakens the senses, pulling you into a timeless narrative where every stone seems steeped in history and every view is a masterpiece waiting to be discovered. It is the perfect starting point for any exploration of the French Alps. While the canals bring charm to the city, the Lake Annecy provides its immense beauty and vitality. Often proclaimed the cleanest lake in Europe, the lake's exceptional quality is a result of decades of rigorous environmental protection measures implemented since the 1960s. Fed by numerous small mountain rivers and a powerful underwater source, the Boubios, the lake's waters possess an incredible clarity and depth of color, ranging from jade green near the shores to deep sapphire blue in its center. The lake itself is a relic of the last ice age, formed about 18,000 years ago when large alpine glaciers carved out the valley basin. It is surrounded by majestic peaks, most notably Mont Verrier, La Tournette, which stands proudest at 2,351 meters, and Lusemnas. These mountains provide a spectacular backdrop for all activities. The lake's purity supports a vibrant ecosystem and fuels every kind of water sport imaginable, from swimming, sailing, and paddleboarding to wakeboarding and scuba diving. The calm, warm waters in the summer invite exploration, while the mountains beckon year-round for hiking and winter sports. The preservation of this natural marvel is a source of immense pride for the local community, ensuring that the lake's breathtaking beauty can be enjoyed for generations to come.